Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. In this one we're going to be looking at fixing a programmed redundancy with one of these little things. Now what I'm going to be fixing is this iron here. Now it is electrical, so it can be dangerous. Take extreme care. Now here comes the program redundancy trickery. The one screw that you have to undo to get into this machine is an unusual head. And in all of these screw heads that I have here, of all odd sized and shaped screw heads, not a single one fits. They made sure of that. So I had to make one out of a screwdriver with the slot so I could open it up. So I'm going to have to cut that across with a hacksaw to turn that back into a slot screw to put it back in. Now it is actually quite a beautiful design, and there's a lot of work that's gone into designing these things, and it's a shame to throw it away. It's very simple in its electrical circuit. It's just an input direct from the line in, goes through a fuse to a thermostat, and the thermostat is just two pieces of metal that heat up at different rates and open and close to switch on or off the electricity. It's a switch basically that goes off to the element, and to the other element contact goes straight off to the electricity as well. So there is in actual fact very little for it to go wrong. The main thing that actually goes wrong is this thermal fuse gets burnt out. It just gets too hot one day and fit it goes, and then you throw the whole thing away for approximately 30 to 50 cents American for a replacement one of these. So to test if your element is still okay and it hasn't burnt out, with a pair of insulated pliers you can plug the thing in and very carefully grab that with your pliers. Don't touch it with your fingers or you'll get an electric shock, and you can touch that other end of the element and hold it there for a few seconds, and you should be able to feel if the element is heating up. If it heats up, then your problem is with the fuse, the thermic fuse, and unplug it please. Now this fuse cost me about 30 to 50 cents American from the electronics shop. With it totally unplugged, so there's no electricity running, I can now orient it in the same direction and snip that off and twist that together, the same with the other side. That's so we can get the heat protective sleeve back over the fuse. So there it is with the test run. It warms up, it gets hot, and now to assemble it. And there we have it working again. Yep.